So Xero allows us to split transactions either between different tracking categories or even between different accounts. So I'm going to show you how simple it is. All you do is from your dashboard itself for the transaction that you want to reconcile. So we click on Add Details. So when I click on Add Details, it's going to bring up the screen, which is pulling information directly from my bank statement. So it's pulling who the money was from, the date, and it's pulling in the details, right? So we now need to allocate this. So always keep in mind that you always need to balance back to the transaction itself. So I'm just going to show you if I want to allocate this to donations received, and I want to allocate it to maybe 3 projects, right? So if I allocate the full amount to project A, and then I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to do a little formula. So in Xero, this is also another tip. You can actually just do a formula in it. So I'm just actually going to do it between the 2 accounts. And then I'm going to go 202, and then I'm going to put this to project B. So this transaction is currently not going to balance. If I had to click save, it's going to come up with an error message to show me that I've got too much, right? So I obviously need to divide the first transaction by 2 as well, because at any time a transaction needs to balance. So now I'm saying I'm taking this donation between project A and project B. I'm going to click on save transaction. And then now I'm going to click on reconcile. And that is how simple it is to actually split a transaction. So you can do it for a payment, for receipt. You can do it between tracking categories. You can do it between different bank accounts. So you just need to keep in mind, obviously, you're always going to balance back to the original payment. And that's it.